it's Debbie with Kip's Corner. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Thanks for joining me. So today, real quick, I want to share with you some happy mail that I got, and from Terry Fitzpatrick. Terry has an Etsy shop called LucidLizardJewelry, but don't let the word jewelry fool you, because Terry does some amazing die-cut kits as well as digital downloads, and she's working on expanding her digital downloads. And so Terry sent me a little happy mail package and a code that I'll share with you all, and I thought I would open it. I have not looked at this yet. I slit the package open and peeked inside, but I haven't opened what's inside. So let's just do it together, shall we? So here's what we have on the inside. Oh, look, right there on front. Look, they're upside down. So let me turn it around. Look at the hummingbirds. I love hummingbirds. And so she has this package wrapped beautifully with some seam binding here. So let's undo that. And let's see what we have. Let's start with this. Oh, she just has a net. Oh, look at all of this. This is just a little bonus pack of laces. Oh, I really like that one. I like all of them. Of course. How can you not? And even if you're not a pink I don't mind dusty pink like that. That's pretty. Ooh, the rust is pretty. That's neat. Very cool. So this is just a really fun little pack of trims and laces. Look, isn't that gorgeous? That green is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and you can take this basting stitch off, and then that'll be fringy. Cool. And then, oh, here, tassels. Oh, what fun. Oh, that's pretty. What a fun little grouping of trims and laces. Adorable. Love the colors. All of them. That's awesome. So those are like upholstery trims. Those are so fun to use in your journals, laces. So what a wonderful little grouping of different pieces. That's awesome. Thank you, Terry. Okay, I'm going to set that aside because I think what you want to see, especially, we all want to see this little folder here. This opens, and inside here, this is a little pouch. Beautiful presentation, Terry. Our hummingbirds and leaves. Let me make sure I get it all out. Okay, let's see what we've got here. These are all fussy cut. Oh my goodness. Goodness. Here, this is the shop for people like me who hate to fussy cut. Oh, just gorgeous. The colors are really pretty. And it's not on a stark white paper, or it's the front half is kind of a creamy color, which is beautiful and perfect for, to get that little bit of an aged look in there. So we have hummingbirds out the galore, out the wazoo. That's what I started to say. Absolutely gorgeous. Different sizes, flowers. Oh, I love these. Let's see. More flowers. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty color peach. That hummingbird. So she has several different themed kits. I know, if I remember correctly, there's like some foliage and then, the hummingbirds, obviously. I think there were some floral kits, some other animal kits and things like that. These are absolutely adorable. So these are all, and they get bigger. So there's different sizes. So you have some of the same pieces, which is wonderful when you're working on a journal and you need, that exact perfect size. You can get, here's an example, where you've got different sizes of the florals. There's different sizes of the birds. And look at those little tiny pieces cut out. This will be fun to play with. So much fun. There's another bird. So pretty. And this looks like it's all from, you know, the birds are all, the hummingbirds are all the same, and the flowers and the colors are all of the same style, which is awesome because, again, that just gives you so much versatility and so much to choose from. There's some more leaves. That's another flower. Oh, and here's the bigger. So see, you have big versions and small versions. Love it. Love it. And there's some more. It just keeps going. It's the never-ending pile of hummingbirds and flowers. Look at that. Hope you can see these okay. Here, I guess I can pull some of these. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. Let me pull that up close and personal. See how pretty he is? Or she. And here's a blue. Let me get that up nice and close so you can see. See those colors? Just beautiful. Very pretty. And all fussy cut. Like I said, this is the kind of shop for people like me who hate to fussy cut. So I will put these in the description box so that you don't have to write this down. But I wanted to show you that she is going to offer my viewers a 20% off coupon code, and it's DKIPP091723A, and that's 20% off for digital downloads. Or you can use the other code for 15% off the ephemera packs, which is what this is. This is the Vintage Hummingbirds ephemera pack, and it's the same code except B. So DKIPP091723B. And again, I'll put both of these down below along with a link to Terry's Etsy shop in my description box. But Lucid Lizard Jewelry, Terry Fitzpatrick, be sure and pop over and show her some love. Terry's trying to grow her Etsy shop, and this is right up our alley, right? These are the kinds of things we love. So pop on over, show Terry some love, grab yourself a discount. Zoomed in a little bit so that you can see this better, but I will have this down below. But I also wanted to mention that I am going to make something in the coming weeks using Terry's fussy cuts here. So a hummingbird themed something. Don't know what yet, but I will be back soon to show you what I decide to make. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.